Two by two, the animals came to enter the ark before the big rain. I'm Leanne, this is my daughter Kaytlyn, and we are the mother-daughter team from the Whole Country Caboodle. We're here to show you our latest collection, 2 by 2.
Yeah.
Kate, you want to show them the prints?
Sure. So we're going to start off with a all over character print. If you know our style, we love the whimsy. So we have lots of the twos. We have giraffe, monkeys, lizards, all the things. Next is a really adorable arc print. There is a lot for your eyes to look at. Think of this for backings, just anything that you kind of need a larger scale print for.
Love the pelican that's sitting here. It's just adorable.
Yeah. This one is another all over on a creamier yellow color. This one has Noah and his wife and just some of the other cute animals in the group.
We've got giraffe and llama.
And a fun squirrel.
Yep. This one's one of my favorites, Kate.
Oh, yes. This is the flamingos. They're in love. Sitting on little turtles.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we have to have the rainbow. You know, every ark, Noah's Ark collection has to have the promise of the rainbow.
You have the multicolored rain, which is kind of cute.
Yep.
Zebras. This is a fun word print that has, God always keeps his promises. Noah's Ark, the rain came down.
40 days and 40 nights.
Yeah, that's a long time.
That is a long time.
And the animals came 2 by 2.
Absolutely.
Ooh, I love this one.
Love this one. Yeah, tonal print. These, the fish with the underbite. Gotta love that.
Yeah.
Let's see, we've got the dove.
Mm-hmm.
And
water stripe.
Yeah.
Adorable. I love this one too.
Yep, absolutely. Along with these prints in the collection, we've got several panels. First of all, the book panel, and it kind of just tells the story. It can be used as either a book or it can be made into a quilt, which is a lot of fun as well. On the side here, we have a little rainbow strip that we instruct how you can make a handle with it.
And then we do have some tags too that you can put on the book. So it says to, love, date, may this be a treasure for years to come. And then this has been made with love by. So really cute thing there.
Yep. We have the main panel that is the cross section of the ark with all the animals. That's where it reads, the 2 by 2, the animals came to enter the ark before the big rain. Very vibrant. Love, love, love the colors in this. It also has a block panel that shows, the characters 2 by 2, as well as then Noah in the center of the ark with the rainbow and the dove. Kate, you want to show them the quilt that we did and tell them a little bit about this?
Yes, so this is the panel quilt. It's kind of hard to see, sorry. But we use the main center portion of the ark, that panel in the middle, and then the block panels around the edges with a fun, what do you call that, piano key?
Well, those are piano keys, just a strip border. Pretty easy.
Yeah, and then as you can see in the picture, we have 2 different variations. One has the border stripe around the edge to make it a larger quilt, and then this one has no border stripe, but just great, just a fun quilt. I could see this in like the church nursery or something.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Think about all the options that you have for this fun. Anyone who loves little animals will love this quilt.
Of course, we recommend that you cut up some of your fabric and put them into fat quarter bundles because, we have a lot of small projects and a fat quarter bundle is really adequate for those. So just keep that in mind to do a fat quarter bundle.
And then the last project we have with this group as of right now is our applique quilt. And with all of our, and if you didn't know, with all of our collections, we do a whole line of laser pre-cut, pre-fused appliques. So this is the project we did with this. It's a block of the month project. So it just has lots of fun animals, words, 2 by 2, promise, peace.
And you'll see that we used a lot of our basics in this quilt. So
how many basic lines do we have?
We have 4 basic lines. We have our Starry Basic, we have our Houndstooth Basic, Bias Plaid Basic, and Bubble Dot Basic. And so we are so fortunate and grateful that we have all of those to coordinate with our fabric collections. Those 2 make great bundles if you want to put bundles together. But yeah, this will be a great block of the month for you as far as how we put that together.
So we hope you enjoy our 2x2 group.